It's so college, you know. We were supposed to go to Monty's today, but it's raining.
Yeah.
We're also supposed to be cooking dinner right now.
What's Monty's?
Hey guys.
You have 16%. We're having a hurricane.
We better make it snap.
Wait, where's... Okay, guys, so we have a special guest on our cooking show today. Also, we're going to be cooking... This is cooking for college students in an apartment and how to cook healthy.
Hey guys,
you have to go back and jump in.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a special guest for you guys
Very
today.
special guest today.
Drum roll, please.
Drum roll, please.
Tell them how great I am.
Pop up. Sky!
Yeah.
This is my bae.
This is my bestie.
And my sorority, and we're just like all friends.
Like one big happy family.
That was
So we're gonna all be cooking even though she doesn't eat salmon for some reason.
Either what?
She doesn't eat salmon. Okay. So I bought.
I'm making the right.
I can leave if you want. Like I can go. Okay, so I bought this salmon from Whole Foods, and I got like it's like
teriyaki.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's like
thank
8 fillets and salmon. Thanks, Sky. Come on in here, Chef Boyardee.
Chef Boyardee.
Hi, that's me.
Chef
Boyardee, Bob the Builder.
guys.
You do it all.
Chef Boy, I'm Boy, you're Yar. Yar and you're D. We got Chef Boy
Yar.
and Chef D. You would be Chef D though.
Yeah, I know. The Postmates get upstairs.
She orders Postmates while we're
Literally
cooking.
cooking.
We are cooking.
Okay, wait, guys, where are the pans? I don't look here.
Oh, the pans?
Like, do it. Okay. So, this is like an amazing meal for everyone.
Wait, this lighting's kind of cute.
You want to be our cameraman?
No, I want to be the camera.
In front of the camera. We already
I
had
want
this
to
discussion.
be.
Okay, yeah, 10 points. Okay, you got the salmon. Like more.
There's 3.
No, it's 1 by 1.
You're gonna wrap it?
Yeah, listen. So now we need butter.
Wait, no, but I'm making teriyaki salmon.
Yeah, you can make teriyaki, but this makes the salmon cook like perfectly.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, can we use vegan butter or does it have to be regular butter?
Go to the,
So-
no,
Because
go to
we have vegan and we also have regular. I prefer the vegan, but
I don't really care.
I won't be picky.
Oh, wait, is that vegan?
Yeah,
We have that in our apartment.
yeah, that was vegan.
Okay.
Is you need brown sugar and teriyaki sauce.
I don't have brown sugar.
I brought some.
Wow. I'm so impressed. She's calling her mom. Call us her mom.
She doesn't know how to make.
No, but it's the best.
She was so. She just literally.
swear.
Wait, look. Wait,
She was super confident.
I'm making your salmon. Okay, so what do? I put it in the tin foil.
Little drizzle, little olive oil.
Okay.
Only this much, but.
You know,
Perfect.
I'm gonna order myself salmon.
Why? Why?
It doesn't have to be cut.
You guys will have any more. I literally ran out of oil too.
Okay.
Okay, so what you're gonna do. Al, how do you like turn this down? Oh, there we go.
And then should I do the edges too?
Oh my god.
I'm making the broccoli, so first I'm gonna, it's frozen, so I'm gonna,
Okay.
so I'm gonna heat it up.
Sorry,
And then I'm gonna put it on the
I
pan.
just have to do one, and then we can do everything else. Okay, so what you do. This is my famous salmon.
Not more famous than Uncle Kenny's.
You did your
I
thing
made
on the broccoli
really
last
good
time.
broccoli.
Yeah, well, however you made the broccoli last time.
Okay. So you do a little of that
Oh,
on
should I
there.
put this on here?
And then,
Yeah.
Can you take the butter off? Guys, this is the one that's Sky made. These are just butter.
I'm trying to give you a heart attack.
We're literally trying to kill us.
Clearly.
Okay, so
It's vegan butter. Yeah, it's vegan.
and then you're just gonna get salt. Do you have salt?
Salt.
Just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of salt. Oh, thank you.
You're so welcome.
We're gonna do a little bit of salt. Love you more than mine. And we're gonna do teriyaki sauce. Now, I usually use a different type of marinade, but this is what we bought from our apartment, so we're just gonna really put that on
Lather
there.
it in there.
And like it should like, you should have enough brown sugar, so the teriyaki sauce. I feel like I'm like not Rachel Wright because you can't see me.
What is this? Oh, I have another teriyaki marinade.
Should we mix them?
Yeah.
Let's mix them.
That might be good.
Let me smell this one. Taste both. Taste both. Taste test. Foil.
Oh, I just burned myself.
Needs enough. You just rub it.
Here's that. Oh, should we put some honey on it too?
Ooh, honey, but we have brown sugar.
Yeah, but I think honey would be good too.
I think the brown sugar is good, I'm telling you, Al.
I think there's a little bit of honey.
I think the brown sugar is so good. It
It's
makes
like a little,
it really
it's like a little
sweet.
streak.
It makes it really
It's
sweet.
like a little, little.
You might as well put like ketchup too.
I think this could really be it.
Have you ever tried this?
Nope.
Ow, why are you ruining it?
I made it better.
There's literally so much fucking brown sugar. I'm telling you, this is like a really sweet like salmon.
Good. The sweeter the better.
No. Okay. So this is what your salmon should look like at the end. That's what your salmon should look like at the end. Dancing. Okay, so this is the salmon at the end. Just like all marinady and shit. Also, if you have garlic, it's good to put garlic on top. Do you have garlic, Al?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. But so we're making the salmon, the broccoli here.
Oh, there you were.
Sky fully ordered
You're good.
pasta and is not eating our salmon, and even though she tried to hijack our operation.
Okay, so the salmon is in the oven. Mackenzie, come here. So the salmon is in the oven, the broccoli is done, and the rice is still cooking.
Wait, how
It's
did you
almost
beat
done.
him? I didn't. Alexis.
And we're gonna show you guys the final product.
Yeah.
Yes,
what?
I mean, I put it in the oven, and the oven's
Like,
not
set
finished
you up with
preheating,
that?
but like, I think it's fine.
Kinda.
Oh, I didn't
Fine,
even
I do
try
that. She's trying to
How long do you put
right.
salmon?
look it up.
You never met him?
Alright, so the broccoli's done. I'm actually gonna make a little more because of the broccoli. The rice is done, and the salmon is on its way. Are we excited for dinner? I like how this video is like college, apartment,
No, so
cooking
do I.
video, and we're like making salmon.
I mean,
Like most college students would be like, alright, this is how I cook my ramen noodles.
like my SpaghettiOs. Come on. Come on. Amazing. I'm turning this off.
It's actually good. Good job, guys.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it actually good, or are you gassing
Really
it?
good. I'm not gassing it at all.
Wow. Have a little bit.
I think the honey is the best part.
It's the brown sugar, but it's fine. Alright, so we just finished cleaning the kitchen, ate our good din, and now I have to go do homework
Yes,
and go back to my apartment. But it was nice having a family dinner. Get in, Sarah.
Sarah,
Sky, hurry. For the end of the video, you have to go like this.
You
And
have
you
to go-
say, thanks for
Yeah.
watching, and then cover the can.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love you guys so much.
And we'll see you next time.